Wi-Fi is everywhere until it breaks. Dropped connections, frozen screens, no signal.
Dad, the Wi-Fi's down again.
Flagship routers, more antennas, more mesh nodes, and still the problem remains. WavKong. For the first time, we bring satellite and base station grade signal processing to home Wi-Fi. Fixing the signal at its core, all powered by our custom RPU. RPU, a dedicated radio processing unit. It removes distortion and delivers a cleaner signal throughout your home.
Our Wi-Fi is working.
Okay.
Cleaner power, wider coverage, 3 to 10 times faster speeds, even at distance. WavKong V2700, the world's first RPU-powered router. One router, done.